pound of meat and as a pound of fish. Scale. Scale nature say. Nobody is guilty unto proving guilty. Everybody is innocent unto proving guilty. And notice I will say me my baby, and as I will say, we are bemua. Scale no ni me enu for evidence go back so. Me so me family evidence go back so. There are more evidence they go in the favor no according to the law. So it didn't matter who was sitting inside and found who was the chairman, who was the judge, it did not matter. The law still remains. How many IGPs na yenya? Emra sebe dampare di ye adwuma. Emra na ye hihye. Ya papa dampare. Emra odi ye adwuma sese no. Emra na ye hihye. Emra na wo hodada but yenya IGP phobia. They did not enforce the laws. Yenya IGP phobia. They did not enforce the laws. And because they didn't enforce the laws, people got away with so many things. But then there is a new sheriff in town called Dampare. And he's willing and ready to play by the book. Say we are saying Kwadia and found new position. We are software, we are confuo, we are deep flow, we are malamo, we are sikenio, we are hienio, or who Kwadia or betchu. When I was we are Shatawale, we are medica, we are wine, we are Nambrana Kaun Kwadia or betchu. Hey, some Rani Juma. Oh, the people like the works are not working, and the laws are not good. And I Ghana, they are running here, Juma, SM running Juma, SM running Juma. Yes, you yate. Then we finally get Mra to work. Then the same people who are fighting say Mra Juma, Mra Juma, hey, I'm person Mra Juma, Mra na which hunt now political way. Mukai 2016, 2017. Yeba be mu first no. Endum be na NDC photo. Mukai tamwa honorable compare ko nyame hira no baby owo bia eye na dwene kura di information by say afede why you make case no yenkodi ni yenji esika no mukai. Do you guys remember why you make case no initially what were the NDC people saying? On this kebia anya no she apu see this guy monchien na mo they can't catch us. It's a lie. This MPP government is a propagandist government. It's a lie. Yeah, this guy yanchien not you. This was NDC. That was the tune they were singing 2017, 2018. 2018 ayachi abuga pele numudimu eko jina hodi yasne edi omutu mu pe political witch. Ose yenchemo. Mose yenchemo. Because mundi skebia yate. Afe di ebrana ba na afe embrana somumu na echemo so a political witch hunt. Nti akwese me pomode pass omo ba betake me. Omo ba meka sese. Omo chimi say kura na meka sese. And you sit in the country, I'm rather my God, you see some of you, and them say, tag that stupid idiot called Dr. Ren. That good for nothing, stupid fool who knows nothing. And Dr. Ren, today I'm telling you, because of the audios, and Mrewana only video call, said, Didium, no, almost any send last barcode message, Ibrahim, my mebon, Sabokai. Mokai said the people who are paying that stupid boy called Dr. Ren, one of them was sending a message and thought was sending it to Dr. Ren. And a message in the bar. Mokai, maybe one will be paid. So, Samokai. So somebody tell that Dr. Ren. Tell that idiotic fool who has nothing to do with his life. Mutuwei, moye NDC fwa, obrano abo against Simona Montura, mudi yenti, mwenye bibi papa biya fan free politics. And the internet abayefo mwenya kwanye tukwan nanka munim say NDC ye papa no kamonka say I'm an NDC member and I'm fighting against the government. Why do you have to go and hide against something? Because munim say your stupid NDC party has lost steam with Ghanaians because kind of one who say we you kontompo na bramafwa omodomure shemu mu nothing better happens for them. Mokai time away yet to obey we at a mills. Uko criminal business and about with the 1 and 2 you do be a done. Oh, maybe Yamana me 2 you, Yamana me will be asking on the twaba. It's what a mills we need. Mokai. Man can't tell him say one kai. Yet to obey at a mills and any ame say, Munina Majina at a mills and nobody owned the pen. That is how NDC is. Omo party no air time a new route out to the point say all they are doing and they just have to come inside and be relevant because they say okay they said they were going to do demonstration samokai and anyi e tons you and e chiromu konya fix the country wouldn't be more scatter down so now me beside that stupid Dr. Ren and say what does he know about governance? Does he think governance is all about just insulting? Governance is all about na Akufo Addo ye wiki ba umia bon ba umia stupid and I penifo ye Jimmy for penifo no mo ye Jimmy for wo papa no maame na ye Jimmy for first cause wo mo na ko sa lie ko to abadi ko ye Jimmy for so mo medi om so some say mo nsuye nyansa language na mo ntiase kasa so mo nkasa ye interpretation na mo nim mo sorry a mo ye muti kondo na kwasia we last mama na platform Ghana Music Award UK self face the country. Now one can't just say you should go and fake that your idiotic face and that stupid mouth of yours to start thinking and reasoning correctly. And then the Makamuabum alliance will be uncle to move if now more baswa, mama fact, because that is the only thing that can break me down. The only thing that can stop this moving train is fact to dispute what I'm saying. And because my facts are legit fact, you go find what I said is true, so you can't come back. That is why some of you fools can't attack me direct, so all you have to do is to use insult. Now, I dare any of you shallow-minded bloggers from look London, Kwasiabana, and near Berguna, Chimuna, or not there, or say, Nesia Tuama, Nigere, no Jimmy no. Now, Sebi, one name will be our baby, not just to remain popular. No, we'll be your views. Jonas is my brother. Hey, people, join us and let us talk. Hey, stupid fool, let me tell you something. Frema Bodam fool, let me tell you something. If we add you, all the 32 men that have slept with you, all the men that have broken your heart, the people you are chasing after their inboxes even today, they call money now, one way. Because we will not be bare new years to me. Ebana Dishia, forever I will be wiser and smarter than your stupid self, Prima. When we are Jimmy for we are ill-informed and not informed, you know, on quasi a chine babu Jonas no echo fake say, Wayera, we are crossing ba wouldn't name house system works inti. Obi Irana Sawosa watch China, Abu join by. You go to the fucking police and report to say your friend, your son, your brother, your husband is fucking missing. You don't come on social media and talk foolishness. Frema Bodam for Frema look London. Kwasiabai. You don't rush to social media and insult him 24 and later on come and say, oh, everybody calm down. I have heard from Jonas. He's okay. He'll be back very soon. Not just a day now, if we don't see Jonas, now who Fremasa who your bow pecan a year. Now we are Jimmy for no one my papa be a do the papa intino. What's now Dim Quasia Semitino? A poor be a sabi one only chrome. Just a governance after Tiapan Sam, et me be Jinaho, no way do president at him. So no say the dong, man anado 24 hours to produce Jonas. Kwasia we hip hop wa be promoting ti. Jam from be di Akufo Addo atem say Jonas ayira. Wo ye pani ye maame ye papa. Wo sorry na wo kire wo ma de a. Wo si omo nka me pacho. Say thank you. Say please. Amboa oba kwasia na wa wo no ne de opeso u meboa. Frema o kwasia ba na wa ko didi ho chocho de a wo ne de opeso bubu meboa. But Akufo Addo de ye nkodi na tem.